Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to get access to Outlook and how to send an email with a file attached to it. If this is the first time getting access to your account, we'll take you through the verification process. Knowing this will help you to keep a formal communication with your teacher, and not only for communication. Attaching files like your homework or any assignment will enforce the link between your instructor and you. Sending an email may be the easiest way to contact most of the staff at Huntington Beach Adult School. Let's go to the HBAS website. Open a new browser and type the address for the website. Find the student applications. Locate Microsoft 365 link. Enter your email address. It has to be your student email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Remember, the password is always case sensitive. It will require more information. Click on Next. And it will take you to verify more information to activate your account. Let's continue and start this process. Click on Set It Up Now. Select United States and enter your phone number. Once you're ready, select the option Text Me. You will be getting a security code in your phone. Make sure to enter the code correctly. Let's do it one more time. Verify. And let's click on Finish. If you want to reduce the times to enter your access information, you can select Yes to stay signed in. For now, I'll just pick No. We'll see a quick tour through the features of Microsoft 365 programs. And this will be your dashboard of application, which is the most popular Office applications. Locate the blue envelope of Outlook. You will see the layout and the website of Outlook. Being the first time getting access to this site, you will see a quick tour of features of this program. As you can see in this first panel, you will see a list of the folders that you have in your email. In the second panel, you will see a list of your incoming emails, and the third panel will show the content of your emails. Let's click on a new message, and you will get a template for an email. The first field is for email address. Always is important to set a subject. I'm gonna start adding just some random information, and let's type a message to send an email. Let me add my signature. And my email is ready to send. But I want to show you how to attach a file. You can just click on the file, drag and drop on the email. There is a different way. Within your email, you will find a paperclip icon. You only have to click on it, pick browse this computer, and this dialog box will come up. You only have to select your file and click open. And your email is ready to send. As an exercise, I'm sending myself an email, filling out some of the fields. Try to do this exercise, it will help you as a practice. I'm gonna add my email address. I'm going to enter a subject, and I'm going to type some random information so you can see how it's displayed in your email. Let's add one more thing and click on send. And you will see how fast we're getting this email. Click in the inbox folder. And once you click on your email, in the third panel, you will see the content of this. Okay, I think you're ready to start sending emails. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.